Gaudius Nocturnius Sleepius. Over at the old Phillips building. Obviously we can't see shit out here. Here we go. And, yeah. Let's see if he's over here. No sight of him. Auto zoom on this thing sucks. Let's see if we can't wake him up, shall we? Oh. Hello. Nice and sleepy. Perfecto. How's it going, boss? How you doing?
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing? Sleeping?
No. Did you get your camera out here?
What's up?
Get your camera down?
Can you, show me your guard card, please?
Guard card?
Yes, sir.
I don't have a guard card.
You don't have a guard card?
No.
Do you know what a guard card is?
Yes?
Okay, and why do you not have a guard card? You're obviously, security.
Yeah.
Okay. And you do not have a guard card with New Mexico State at all. Okay. And who are you employed by?
I'm with Daryl.
Who?
I'm with A-List Security.
A-List Security?
Yeah.
Okay, and how long have you been employed by A-List Security?
Why you ask me this question, guy?
Oh, I'm just wondering, you know, concerned citizen and all.
What are you doing out here?
Oh, I'm just, you know, walking around. So, you're securing this area and you do not have a New Mexico State guard card? Alrighty, well, you know, that's all the information I really need. Thank you.
Hey,
What's going on?
what are you doing, man?
Oh, nothing. I'm just, you know, getting some information from you, sir.
You want my license?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Hey, man, can you get that camera out of my face?
Sorry, boss. Just, you know, doing my job.
Come on here. Why don't you get on out here, man?
Oh, okay. Well, let me get your license plate here. And there he goes. Another satisfied customer. Here's all the equipment he was washing. This is I believe the base camp. Yes. And yep. We go. All of his equipment. We're at the it's on.